This is simple and tasty jeera rice. Just it will be cooked in 5 minutes only. I have taken 4 cups of rice and I added salt, chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder and garam masala powder to the rice. To the white rice, we need to mix all these things. Each half spoon can be taken. Meanwhile, keep a tawa and add 1 cup of or else half cup of chopped onions and curry leaves. I have chopped 1 by 4th cup of curry leaves and ginger garlic paste 1.5 spoon or minimum 2 spoons. Here domination will be ginger garlic paste. We need to salt on the pan. We need to mix this rice with that ginger garlic paste and onion fried. That onion and ginger garlic paste should be sauteed very well until that raw smell goes off, otherwise it will spoil the recipe. Then on the pan it is very insufficient, the pan is very small. I added this rice into the electric pressure cooker where I didn't lock the lid at all. Just I kept it like an ordinary lid only, but the coil down the pressure cooker will be giving high temperature so that all sides and in all the ways this rice is cooked very well. We need to take only not at all. We should never take soft rice or crushed rice or it is very much boiled rice. It should be like this only. Then only this recipe will be tasty. And here one by at least 1 spoon of along with the ginger garlic paste we need to add 1 spoon of jeera cumin seeds, not sajira. This is jeera cumin seeds, bigger ones. In the ginger garlic paste we need to add. And here this is jeera rice is very simple but very tasty because the taste elevator here is coriander seeds. See how I added the coriander. You can observe how I added cumin seeds, and that this rice should be added there. When we mix everything into the rice properly, the whole rice gets salt and other masalas also. After sorting for 1 2 minutes, I immediately transferred this rice into the electric rice pressure cooker. And whistles should not come here. Only like a lid I kept. I didn't lock the cooker. Only with that high temperature, all sides the rice will be cooked and it will be very tasty if you serve hot. And you can add lemon before you serve. And raita will be very good combination with this. A raw onion is also good combination for this rice. It is simple but very tasty and easily cooked jeera rice. And you need to watch YouTube videos for lengthy descriptions, and also Instagram you can follow, and my new cooking channel Suprabhatam cooking channel also kindly support. And I got nearly 1,48,000 views in just in 1 month and 398 subscribers naturally. I got by observing my recipes. Thank you for every subscriber and thank you for every viewer who are all supporting me with your great love. And there is immense effort I had put in this. If you can observe every recipe what all I cooked up to now, there is immense effort and immense experience in the kitchen with lot of logics and simple and easy cooking methods. I honestly worked to serve the people, to help others, what all hazards I faced in the kitchen so that nobody can, uh, no one can face that. So I truly and honestly helped everybody. Kindly utilize the channel and help others also, because simple and easy methods and cooking logics are very important for those who cook regularly their food, because eating is very easy and cooking is very difficult if one cooks regularly. I have shown many electronics how they reduce the burden, like induction stove, electric rice pressure cooker, and air fryer, oven methods, and blenders, sandwich maker, dosa maker. You can observe all my previous videos. Please give your valuable subscription. That is a regular process. I don't need to mention you daily. And also, I humbly request utilize every tip and every logic. This every recipe is all my immense years of experience, not one day. I'm a great foodie and I like to eat a very tasty food. taste is never fought to nutrition to me. So eat nutritious along with the tasty food, good food.